Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a webcam instead of using those cheap webcams you get off the internet and they're going mad. The prices are sky high at the moment because everybody's trying to buy one, but you can use your phone. It's so simple and the camera and the quality is so much better. So let's go, show you how to do it. It's so easy. The first thing you have to do is you have to download an app called droidcam. There are other options out there such as WEBCAM and WEBCAM, other apps that do the job, but this is the app that I've found that works the most reliably and the best, so I'm fully recommending this app. It's called droidcam. It's available on Android and iOS, so you can use it no matter what phone you've got. After you've downloaded the app, it's very simple. You just follow the instructions on the app. You have to go to a website to download the droidcam client, and that downloads onto your computer. After you've downloaded the droidcam client software, all you have to do is make sure that your phone and the PC is on the same Wi-Fi network. That's very important because this app communicates with your phone through Wi-Fi. Then you have to take the IP address that's on the app, input it into the client software, and then simply just connects to your phone. It is very simple as that. After you've done that, go to your broadcasting software. I'm using OBS for my live streams. You input a new video capture device, and on the drop down menu it should come up with droidcam. Simple, very simple. You select droidcam and then you'll see the picture of your phone or whatever is transmitting from your phone onto your live streaming software. And this is a far better setup than you would get with a webcam for sure. 100%. It's so much better. If there's a little bit of a delay on the video, you can always add a delay on the audio. So we go to audio settings, advanced audio properties, and just add like a 300 millisecond offset for the audio, and that will make the audio 100% synced as well with the voice and the video that's coming through here. There is going to be a little bit of a delay because it's running through a Wi-Fi connection, but overall this is 100 times better than you'd get with a webcam. The image compared to the phone, in my eyes, is just nowhere near. I mean, we can switch back to the iPhone now, and you can see the colours are a lot more saturated and a lot prettier. I think it just looks a lot better compared to the webcam, which is always, in my eyes, overexposed, no matter which webcam that you use. So the iPhone again. And obviously you can change the angle. You can make the iPhone come down a little bit. I can put it on here, or I can put it right in front of me and make it look a little bit better. But what was that? Is that my phone? But for me, this option and how simple it is to set it up is a massive bonus. And it works through the Wi-Fi. It's connected to the phone. The camera phone's always going to be superior to a webcam, and it's simple to use, and it works really well in OBS. It works really well in OBS. Very simple to use, very simple to set up, and yeah, that is the droidcam for iOS. Brilliant. I always use an external microphone. At the moment I'm using the Audio-Technica AT220, which is a very good XLR microphone. So you add that onto the scene in OBS as well, so then you've got good audio and good video from your phone. It's so much better than using something like the Logitech 920X, which is just expensive for what it is, and yeah, the quality is nowhere near. We've all got phones in our pockets, and with this app you can turn your phone into a quality webcam device. That is it. Simple as that. Use your iOS or Android device as a webcam. The quality is a lot better than any other webcam you can get on the market, in my eyes, because you know these, especially the iPhone Pro, is the cameras on these things are extremely good. So yeah, the quality comes across very well. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any uploads. Let me know in the comments down below if there's any other tips and tricks about live streaming you'd like to know. Anything else I can help you with, I'll make the videos, and if I can, and if I can pass that information on to you, I will. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any uploads coming up soon. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy, guys. Bye.